get yourselves as comfortable as you can. That for those who are sitting up, you want to widen your hips by pulling your buttocks sideways and shoving your bum back as far as it'll go, and stretch the body forward with your bum pushing back. And then when you sit back up, I want you to keep that spine stretched, roll the shoulders up, back and down, and leave your bottom sticking out, and you'll find that you're sitting much more comfortable on your hips. It's very important. Is that okay? Like that, maybe you want to just do that with your legs and keep your knees a bit lower. Perfect. For those sitting up, we're going to try and keep the head pulled up, drop the shoulders. Get as comfy as you can if you can do this with your legs. It helps the spine to come up straight. Okay. So let's just start by allowing our eyes to close and trusting that all is well and you are safe just for this few minutes. Maybe the first time in your life you can let go. Okay, we're going to bring the attention inside. A few ways to do that. The best one is to feel as if you're pulling your eyeballs back away from the lids, leaning back inside, taking your attention back away from the thinking mind at the front, and then direct your eyes up towards the lower forehead. Might feel uncomfortable at first. Those who are sitting up, keep your chin parallel to the floor, so the back of the neck elongated and comfortable. If it's too uncomfortable looking right up, just look towards the bridge of your nose, but I would like you to look into that space. So you're looking to see what you can see with your eyes closed. What can you see in the forehead? It might just be black. It might be light. Now keeping the eyes still and fixed on what you can see, turn your attention to your own breathing. So start by feeling the breath coming through the nostrils and watching the journey of the breath down into the body. Watching the movement of the belly on the in-breath and watching the fall of the belly on the out-breath. And just try to keep your focus on that breathing and on the eyes being fixed on what they can see. And if you can do all three, I'd like you to focus on me speaking as well. And any sounds you can hear in between my voice. Now use each out breath to let go. So all of us, especially women, we're gripping on all over the body all the time, unconsciously usually, which is what creates illness. We cut off the energy and blood flow to certain parts of our body. And it can go on for years and years till we get older. And then later on we might get a physical problem. So the most advanced healing system there is in the world is our own body. It can literally heal itself, so can the mind. But to do that, we have to get out of the way, which means we have to stop resistance and stop gripping on mentally, physically, emotionally. So our only job really in life is to learn how to let go fully and be at ease, even when we're busy. So we're looking into the body now to see, check it while we're giving it attention, and we've pulled our attention from the outside world for now. Move that full attention into that body. Watch the journey of the breath. Get right inside your own body, and where is it that you're gripping on? Often it's the jaw, the shoulders, the hips, the belly, the pelvic area, pelvic floor. I gripped on there for 20 years, I think, after having a baby. So use your out breaths to soften and relax into any area where you know consciously, or you're noticing now, that you've unconsciously been gripping on. So can you sigh out on some out breaths? We really let go of things just for a few minutes. Make as much noise as you need to fully let go. If you do have an area, a physical area that you would like to pass healing to, I would ask you to put your hands, both palms, over that area now. And relax. Trust your own healing power. So the body has its own innate higher intelligence, which heals us. And the only reason why we don't all heal like Wolverine is because we're in the way, worrying, thinking. And so all we need to do, as I said before, is get out of the way and trust the body's high intelligence. But Reiki energy is universal life force energy that we all exist in. And one thing I read was humans not understanding universal life force energy is like a fish not knowing what water is. So we're existing in this quantum field of possibilities that's constantly responding to our thoughts and our actions and our beliefs and our words. And just get a sense of knowing, because science has proved it now, that that quantum field is not just outside of us, it's within us. It moves through every cell of our body and around us and every part of our life. We're all connected by this invisible field. And so when we intend something, we inform this field to respond to our intention. A lot of the time we are intending unconsciously and affecting ourselves negatively without even realizing it. So this is your chance to recognize you are part of this constantly shape-shifting quantum field and choose to inform the field to create healing within the mind and the body. So we're just going to imagine that on every breath we are breathing this universal life force energy, therefore giving the body 100 times the power to heal than it has even on its own. So with each in-breath, I'd like you to imagine that you're breathing this quantum field of healing in through every pore of the body. And on the out breath, I'd like you to imagine that you are sending that healing energy down through both your arms and into the area that needs healing. And the more you relax, the more the body can absorb the energy. So let's use a light to help you if you haven't done this before. So imagine on your in-breath that you're breathing this bright golden white light in from outside of you, from the universe. A very intense golden white light, and you're breathing that into the body on the in-breath. And then hold your breath for a couple of moments and imagine that energy is filling up the whole of the chest and spreading through the mid-range of the body. So really, really filling you up with light. And then use your out breath to spread that light down both arms. The more you relax, the stronger the effect. Out through the hands and into the area of the body that needs it. Now, if there isn't an area of the body that needs it, think about a situation in your life that needs some healing. Remember that you have that massive potential to heal inside yourself. We are so powerful. We don't get told this at school. We have all the power inside of us to create positive change. Trusting and knowing that from this day forward will help you in every way. So we're breathing in the light, the universal life force energy in through every cell of the body, collecting it in the chest and the belly. And if you need to blow this towards a situation in your life, just do that. Use your imagination, breathe out of your mouth and blow into that situation. Visualize it with a full sense of relaxed intention. So there's no pushing, there's no gripping or needing or wanting. This is fully relaxing and allowing this to happen, because it will happen naturally anyway when we get out of the way. So hopefully you can feel the energy in the body increasing. You should be able to feel some tingling, maybe some warmth. If not, relax a little bit more. Use your imagination to breathe that energy, and you can breathe it in through the top of the head if that's easier. Imagine a stream of light coming from the heavens in through the top of the head. And let's send that right through the body and out through the feet to connect us to the center of the earth as well, and ground us while we're doing this practice. So feel that there's a pillar of light from the central sun, Sirius, beaming down through the top of the head, out through the soles of your feet, right into the center of the earth, fully connecting you. So now we've incorporated the earth's powerful energy to help us heal as well. So there you are, a pillar of light from the center of the earth to the center of the universe, as we know it, our central sun. There is so much power and information in that beam of light. All you need to do is to fully relax and allow that body to take on these photons of magic, healing light. And the more you relax, the more this light can be absorbed by every cell of the body. And again, you can send the energy from the chest down out through the hands. Relax the hands. The more you relax, the more you'll feel the heat being transferred to the area that needs some healing. And finally, we're going to share that light with each other and with the rest of the world. So tune back into breathing the beam of powerful light down through the crown chakra, through the top of the head. And let's breathe it up from the center of the earth, up through the feet, into the body as well. And imagine that light gathering in the heart area. Soften the heart and think about the millions, maybe billions of people in the world who are suffering with the same as you, or similar, or worse. And using all your compassion and love, we're going to beam that light out from our bodies, from every cell. So it's like streams of light leaving in all directions. And use your out breath to push that light out to all those other people who are suffering right now. All sharing compassion for each other and recognizing the connection we have to everyone in the world. Breathing in that light, keep pushing it out in streams in all directions, out into your life, out into the world, out into even those people you've never met who might have been struggling or suffering like you have. And the sharing in this way not only affects the energy of all these other people and really will soothe their issues, but it also takes a lot of the weight that we've been carrying, because we're recognizing and connecting fully with the rest of the world, because we are connected to the rest of the world. We're connected to the earth. Our hearts beat in tune with the heartbeat of the earth, apparently. We're fully connected electromagnetically, heart to heart, with everyone, every creature, and the earth itself. And this is why we're all coming together as community to support each other now, because science has finally proved our full connection. You're not alone. So just bring your attention back into the physical body. Just feel the physical body. Maybe take a few deep breaths and release any excess light you might have taken on. And from here on, all you need to remember all day, every day is, am I at ease? Am I allowing the body to use its higher intelligence to keep everything perfectly balanced? Or am I cutting off energy and blood flow? I'm getting out of the way and allowing myself to heal. Earth peace through self peace. Earth healing through self healing. And whenever you feel ready and grounded and comfortable enough, just open your eyes.